I want to explain some how to use shortcuts on the keyboard, both your laptop or desktop, when using vMix. And this season, this New Year season that is coming, at least you can practice it in your church. It's easy to use. All you need is just run your vMix, and thank God you can see these two inputs here, the black one, two black, which is black 2. You can just choose anyone. You understand? Like this black now, some people had it as their videos, and this black 2, some people use it as their audios. I don't know if you understand. So that's what I mean for that one. And for you to add anything, before you do anything, just you can use any shortcut for overlay, inputs, cut, fade, merge, wipe, so many things. You can use shortcuts, and I will explain how to use shortcut on your phone, so that you can use your phone to control your views, to control your program. So I will do that one too. Now it's very simple to use. Just click on settings, go to your shortcuts. Now hope you can just click on add. Now we have our add here, so all you need is just click on, when you click on find and press, okay, let's do this one instead of, let's do the cut one. So C, I'll use my own C as key control C. I want to be using C to control my preview and live program, so I want to be using C as my own shortcut. So function, click on this function that you want it to, like this is the cut. Where's cut? Now this is the cut I'm referring to. This particular cut is over here. See this one, this cut. So just click on, I want to move this. So click on local shortcut and just press OK. You can press OK. Now I want to use add more. Add fade is F. Fade is there, so these are fade. You can use zoom, wipe, slide, anyone you like, fly. So I'll use fade as my shortcut also, and you click local shortcut and press OK. Now you can add more. Let's add more. So for you to use your overlay, let me say overlay, input and overlay, it's very simple. All these things that website go apply for the marquee or the logo, small logo for the left hand side. So all those things. So now just click on find, press one on the keyboard on your laptop. Just press 1. This thing will come up. This something like notes. If you like to use a MIDI controller, click yes to enable it first. So see, it's easy. Now done. Now when I just take notes, go to overlay. This overlay. Now we have 4 inputs. It's only 4 input that you can. It's only 4 overlay. 4 overlay which say you fit use on the video at a particular time, or else just go on a shortcut and add so many things again later. But this is what I mean by overlay. See this overlay, we have 1 here, 2 here, 3, 4. So see, thank God you all know, you guys are familiar with vMix. So that is things you can use to overlay on the program. But I want to explain how you can use the shortcuts, so that next time, at least anytime you have so many programs on everything, you can't be using your hand and you'll be busy doing something else. You can be busy doing something else. And very easy way, you just click on this overlay. We have overlay input 1, we have overlay input 2, we have overlay input 3, and we have overlay input 4, and that's all. So all you need is click on this one, this particular overlay input 1, then come here. Now thank God, you see we have 1 black, 2 black. So I said our video is a constant thing, and our audio is a constant for us. So me, I'll leave this black one black. I won't choose this black one because it's a constant. It's a static. Let me use a word of static instead of me using a constant. It's a static word. It's a static thing that okay, anytime you just add your video and audio, and that's all. But overlay, you can use so many overlays. So now let's assume that okay, I'll use inputs. We don't have any inputs here now. We don't have any input. I'll use input 3. Anytime I add any program, that input will be automatically be 3. Just press 1. The input will come up. You see how we practice. I'll run everything. Now we have input 3 here, and we say okay, done. Now let me clone. I want to clone. We have input 3 already. Clone. So now this is how I edit this. Edit. We have input 3 already. Now I'll choose input 4. Select input 4. Then overlay 2. Output 2. Then find 2. That is the shortcut 2. Then you click OK. Yes, we are done with this one. Edit. Input 2, 4. We have I think this is input 4. Sorry. Input 5. Sorry, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are input 5. Then choose your overlay 3. Find 3. Your keyboard. Press 3 on the keyboard. I just press OK. Yeah. And the last one, edit. Just click on edit. Our input 6. Let's use 6. This 6. Overlay input 4, and you press 4 on the keyboard. Yes, and you press OK. I think we are done. We have overlay input 1, overlay input 2, overlay input 3, overlay input 4. Now just click on OK. Yes, we are done. Now what I said, you just go ahead. You can add any videos. I don't know if you have any videos on the system. Me, I want to use this video called a spiral. So I want to use this called a spiral. I don't need the audio. Actually, I don't need the audio at all. So I have to reduce everything. Now this is a static already. See, we have it over here now. We have it in our program, and let me use another. Okay, let me use this image now. Okay, let's assume that okay, this is our audio input. Audio input is also a static. So it's so I want to reduce the voice. So at least everything is static already. You can just close this now. We have this as our second input. Now go and add your logo. This is our logo. Okay, let me use this flyer. Okay, let me use this logo. Let me use this logo. It's a client's logo, so I want to use it now. Reduce and move it here. You are done. So instead of you to press this one, you don't need to press anything. Add input again. Let me use this particular flyers. Yes, okay. This is another flyers. So yes, okay, we have this. This is another flyers. These are our inputs 1, 2. So, but we can use this as this. You can press your C. Fade. Fade is working and cut C is working. F and C, they are working perfectly. And for us to just So let's add more inputs. Let me use this title. I created this for a client's radio station, so you can use all these titles. I'll explain how you can create a title, how you can create all these things by yourself, I'll explain that later on our next videos. So let's assume that we have this also. We have this input, vMix. Move it down. Yeah, we are good to go. Close. Now I want to position. Just press a 1, and I want to send this particular lower third. I'll just press. This is my 3. I don't need to press anything. I don't need to press anything like that. Let me press this. No, you don't need it. You don't need to stress yourself. There's a shortcut. It's very simple, very easy to operate. See, I'll just press 3. On and off. On, off. Let me 1 live, and 3. See, you can see. And if you want to use this particular image, you can just press 2. You see, we have our overlay around the videos, already. So just press. I want to remove. So you can use your cuts to come in. It's something else. Then you just, instead of you using I want to press. Let me use the mouse. So don't stress yourself. Just press 1 or your input 3. You see, it's very simple, very easy to use to operate. So how to add your shortcut? Please, Video Tech and Media. Love you. Subscribe and follow for more updates. Bye.